God is calling you closer. Not to shame you, not to judge you, not to remind you of your failures, but to restore you. God is not calling you closer to condemn you. He is calling you closer to comfort you, closer to remind you who you are, closer to heal what hurt you, closer to quiet the noise around you. Sometimes we run when we feel unworthy. We hide when we feel distant. We pull back when we feel like we've messed up. But God does the opposite. When you drift, He draws near. When you feel ashamed, He extends grace. When you feel tired, He offers rest. His invitation is not harsh, comma. It is gentle. It is steady. It is filled with love. He is not asking you to clean yourself up first. He is not waiting for perfection. He is simply saying, come closer. Closer with your questions. Closer with your doubts. Closer with your burdens. Bring the mistakes. Bring the confusion. Bring the fear. He already knows. And He still calls you. You are not too far gone. You are not too broken. You are not too inconsistent. His grace is bigger than your distance. Sometimes we think closeness with God requires strength, but often it requires surrender. Letting go of pride, letting go of control, letting go of the pressure to appear strong. God isn't impressed by performance. He desires your heart. He wants relationship, not ritual. He wants connection, not perfection. If you felt distant lately, that doesn't mean He moved. He is still there, still waiting, still loving, still inviting. And the closer you come, the more peace you feel, the more clarity you receive, the more strength you discover. Because in His presence, there is restoration. The parts of you that feel worn down begin to heal. The parts of you that feel lost begin to realign. The parts of you that feel empty begin to refill. God calls you closer because He wants you whole. Closer to remind you that you're still chosen. Closer to remind you that you are still loved. Closer to remind you that your story is not over. You don't have to have all the answers. You don't have to feel perfectly faithful. You just have to respond. Even if it's quietly. Even if it's simply saying, Lord, I'm here. And when you take one step toward Him, He meets you with grace. He meets you with mercy. He meets you with open arms. God is calling you closer, not to restrict you, but to strengthen you, not to condemn you, but to restore you, not to burden you, but to bring you peace. This is not pressure. This is invitation. This is love. So don't resist it. Lean in, draw near, open your heart again, because the closer you come to Him, the more you realize He was never far away. And as you draw closer, you may begin to notice something shifting. The weight you've been carrying doesn't feel as heavy. The noise that once overwhelmed you starts to quiet. The fear that once felt loud begins to lose its grip. Because closeness with God changes you from the inside out. He doesn't always change your surroundings first. He changes your heart. He steadies your thoughts. He strengthens your spirit. He renews your perspective. The more time you spend near Him, the more you begin to see yourself the way He sees you, not defined by your past, not limited by your mistakes, not labeled by your lowest moments, but redeemed, restored, renewed. God calls you closer so you can remember your identity. You are His child. You are chosen with intention. You are loved without condition. You are seen completely. And when you truly understand that, it changes how you walk. You stop striving for approval. You stop chasing validation. You stop proving your worth because you realize your worth was never in question. Closeness brings confidence.
Not pride.
Not arrogance, but quiet confidence, the kind that comes from knowing you are secure in Him. When life feels unstable, He is steady. When emotions feel unpredictable, He is constant. When people come and go, He remains. That is why He calls you closer, not to take from you, but to anchor you in truth, to anchor you in peace, to anchor you in purpose. The closer you come, the more you begin to trust. Trust His timing. Trust His correction. Trust His direction, even when it stretches you, even when it requires surrender, even when it means letting go of what felt familiar. Growth often feels uncomfortable, but distance feels empty, and God is inviting you into something deeper than comfort. He is inviting you into relationship. A relationship where you don't have to pretend, where you can be honest, where you can be vulnerable, where you can simply be. He already knows your thoughts before you speak them. He already understands your struggles before you explain them. And still, he says, come closer, not because he needs you, but because you need him. His presence restores what pressure drained. His voice silences the lies that doubt whispered. His love fills the spaces that insecurity tried to occupy. The closer you walk with him, the clearer your path becomes. Not because you suddenly know everything, but because you trust the one leading you. So if you feel that gentle pull in your heart, don't ignore it. That's not guilt. That's grace. That's not condemnation. That's compassion. God is calling you closer because he wants more for you than distance ever offered. Closer to peace, closer to strength, closer to purpose. And as you respond, you will discover what you were searching for was always found in him. Comment, "Here I am, Lord."